Okay, good morning guys. It's a pretty nasty day at the Ed Shed. Back over again after you saw in the last video we created the door panel templates, and here they are covered in their lovely vinyl. Obviously they're not period correct, they haven't got the pocket on them, and obviously the armrest and so on, but those are all sort of things that I think we can probably add on afterwards. As I said before, there's a plan in place for this car to do something in 8 days time, or 7 days time now, so we need to get it sorted and a lot more presentable so that it can obviously be used for its little mission. So obviously you see the doors there. We did the rust clean, put some sand deadening pads in it, painted it up with some green. Obviously we've got the door panels now, so what we're going to do is we are going to use some of this stuff here. It's like a sticky window tape. Gonna cover the door with it across here where it's going to go behind, so that we can try and keep the moisture out. Obviously everyone will be familiar with that sort of idea. Happens a lot on obviously all the cars to try and keep the moisture off of it. But obviously these cars as well, they just, like, look at the material, it'll just soak water up. So I'm here at the moment going to be paneling those off, taking this off, and then we're going to be looking at trying to get the door cars mounted up, screwed on, and yeah, not going to be using the original holes because trying to drill millions of holes in exactly the right place to mount it, and obviously as we said before, because of the rubber we had to make the panels slightly shorter than the original ones would be, so some of the holes aren't going to line up. Some of them would. Headaches. It'd take us the rest of our lives to get it all sorted. So I will leave it there and get on with some of the work, and hopefully you guys will see what we get on with.
Hello guys, right, it's the old edge shed. You will see some of this. There, finished sort of article. Don't like the screws, but we've got no choice in the short time we've got. So we haven't got a choice. Suddenly sort of finding I forgot to put the channel down in this frame. Yeah, well, that'll be another day. But other than that, those door trims will do. That's good enough what we want. We've got the other side to get in, a few bits of green touch up, and a few other little issues. I've got a phone. There we go, close up. Close the door, quick. What the hell's going on? Is that the wind? Oh my god. Anyway guys, we're now just onto this side, so we're going to try and do this doors, and then that'll be it. That'll be, if we get these screwed on, do you think that'll be enough? I think that'll be enough. Yeah, I have enough, yeah. Right guys, we're having a gargantuan problem here with water, leaks. Go. It's alright, you go. You got the drill going the right way?
Huh?
Is the drill going the right way?
Yeah.
Fucking concrete, where's he drilling?
This side is, whereas the other side seems to be made of toffee.
That side's original.
This side is
has been welded up.
Made of an RSJ.
Yeah. Well, you could always drill a pilot hole if you would. Yeah, I think you might have to drill a, well, you know, we find it ourselves. Yeah. Yeah, take the camera and tell me what you think. Then you can show. What do I do? Show the viewers what we're doing.
Do you want to see what we're doing? So, obviously,
Show the viewers how the back of it's made of RSJ.
we're trying to drill through there, and as you can see, it's probably the drill, to be honest. But yeah, so that's going to go there, and then these have got these. This is going to flip down here, stretch into place on that, and yeah, there we go. Yeah, there's the old door cards on there. They don't look too bad, do they? Bit plain, but obviously it's as I say, it's got its little mission to do in a week. So this is just a bigger drill.
Yeah, well, like, just put that through.
But then the hole will be too big. I only wanted a small drill so I could try and.
Oh, we haven't small drills. One here, but you'll break it, I bet you. Now watch if you break the drill. Break the drill. Go straight through into the tyre. We have to get a new puncher.
Get a new punch.
Throw the drill on the floor. That's how you treat your tools.
Because I need it in a second.
Yeah, you see, just throws it on the floor. Don't break the bloody drill out of you there. Yeah, you'll see this live on TV. Yeah, I think that drill might, as Tupac could say, seen better days.
It's alright, it just seems to look
I know. Now I'll get dripped on my head here. Oh God, look at this roof. Look at it, it's coming in over there. It's coming in everywhere. The whole house is... Oh. Right, I got to hang up now because I'm getting so depressed. Anyway, so we just got the under tray to go on next. That's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Like and subscribe and whatever. Talk to you then. Bye.